13 magnificent mid-century modern homes. The typical mid-century house is known for its single floor and close-to-the-ground design, often punctuated by sizable windows. However, frame homes, like this California cabin featured on Glamping Hub, were equally popular as second homes. This abode has an open floor plan, 2 floors with the upper being loft style, and of course large windows. The yard's minimal landscaping is also rooted in the mid-century aesthetic. The outdoor space feels like an extension of the dwelling because of its glass-covered facade. Here is a classic mid-century residence built in 1951 and recently updated by architect, Carib Daniel Martin. The home's exterior bears a few of the standard details of the classic style. Note the large groupings of windows, a low-pitch gable roof parallel to the front facade, and a mix of siding materials, brick, wood, and metal, which all add visually appealing patterns and textures. The interior features an open living arrangement topped off with high vaulted ceilings. There are many neighborhoods across the country filled with classic mid-century homes, some restored to their original splendor. Any suburban neighborhood that is at least 75 years old has a few modest mid-century houses with traditional peaked roofs and attached garages. Additional standard features in these structures, which were typically less than 1,200 square feet, include picture windows and a well-landscaped, yet simple front yard and driveway. Palm Springs is known for its magnificent and luxurious mid-century houses, some with flat roofs as shown. It is important to note that houses with level toppers are only suited for warm climates. That is because flat roofs do not encourage drainage and have complicated gutter systems. Both can be a problem when it comes to four-season areas that deal with dead leaves and snow. Professional house flipper James Judge restored this mid-century modern ranch to its former, gorgeous glory. Blue and white paint punched up the brick exterior. The sleek turf and pebble yard combined with stylish frosted fencing take the home's curb appeal to a new chic level. The frosting on this proverbial cupcake is the extra-large street number, making this abode a real traffic stopper. Built in 1962, this mid-century modern beauty shared by Terry O'Connor Realtors is a sprawling ranch house brimming with Mad Men appeal. Glass walls and clearstory windows, both hallmarks of high-end ranchers, flood the interior with natural light during the day. The interior features an open concept, which if you are not in the know, became a thing during the modernist movement. Back in the 1950s, Scandinavian chic was just as widely accessible as it is today. This mid-century cabin spotted on Glamping Hub is reminiscent of a Nordic ski chalet. Its exterior features a dramatic pitched roof and ceiling tall windows. The latter marries a gorgeous outdoor view with the main indoor living area. A deck made of cedar carves out a highly enjoyable outdoor room that is perfect for summer dining or kicking back with a hot cider in the fall. The ranch-style house is a mid-century classic. The small single-floor house quickly became a staple in Southern California in the 1940s and then spread out east. Ranchers like this example from Glamping Hub have striking low profiles because of their nearly flat-angled roofs and close-to-the-ground construction. Here is another stunning retro remodel by James Judge. The goal of this project was to retain the abode's original, modernist charm while adding brand spanking new details correct to the era. Note the clever use of wood slat panels. The ones directly in front of the home offer shade and privacy, while the slats on the roof conceal an unattractive AC condenser. Ingenious, right? Everyone home should have outdoor lighting. Here a globe pendant brightens up the street number at night while lending a little Don Draper style. Arguably, the dome home is one of the most visionary types of mid-century residential structures. Architect and inventor Buckminster Fuller conceived these highly efficient adobes for sustainable living. Their spherical shape makes the most of their footprint by providing more livable square footage than traditional homes. These curved homes are also more energy efficient thanks to their surface area to volume ratio. Way before xeriscaping became a thing, homeowners living in warm climates had gravel-covered yards throughout the 50s, 60s, and 70s. This mid-century home remodeled by James Judge includes a new modernist-inspired landscape suited to the area's dry and steamy weather. A butterfly roof, which mimics the shape of the insect's wing, is another common feature seen on some mid-century homes like this one spotted on Palm Spring homes. The exterior feature, typically paired with tall windows, extended the ceiling height inside to dramatic levels. Note the circular driveway, once a staple for large estates, become a covetable feature for mid-century suburbanites with sizable yards. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.